Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by grabbing the essentials, a working MTN SIM and signal, plus any airtime if needed. Dial the MTN UST code *131# and follow the on-screen menu to the data or balance option. This gives an immediate readout. Once done, open the My MTN app, log in with your number, and look at the top card for data balance and expiry. These two actions give you instant numbers. Make sure to note expiry dates while the session is active, because that governs usage. Now, dig into the details so you know exactly what you have. In the app or via the US submenu, check remaining MB or GB and the bundle expiry. This matters for rollover and refunds. If your plan splits data by app or night versus day, inspect those allocations to avoid surprises. Also review recent transactions or purchase history to confirm which bundle is active and whether auto-renew is on. Once you understand allocations and expiry, you can plan top-ups or shift usage. Finish by topping up or changing bundles to match your needs. Buy data through the UST menu, the My MTN app, or convert airtime to a bundle. After purchase, confirm the updated balance and expiry. Once done, set auto-renew if you want continuity or pick a short-duration bundle if you do not. If the balance does not update, restart your phone, reinsert the SIM, and check for network registration. If problems persist, contact MTN support with your number and transaction details for a quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.